guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be organizing all of my fidgets into my new organizer. I'm super excited to be filming this, but make sure to like and subscribe before we get on with the video. Now, let's get started. So my game plan to put all the fidgets in is I'm going to have my poppets, dimples, Orbeez stress balls, miscellaneous stress balls, and Neatos. And these will be all my other small toys. I'm hoping it's gonna fit. It's kind of smaller than expected, but it should work. I did this first drawer off camera to make sure it all fit, and it's kind of overflowing, but we'll make it work. I'll just have to put my mini Neatos in a separate drawer. Okay, next, let's put my Orbeez stress balls in. I really hope this is gonna fit. So we have a slight problem. It is not fitting. So we might have to backtrack. I might have to find a new way to store these Orbeez stress balls. So I'll just take some out for now, and then I'll find a place for them later. But for now, this is what you're gonna be looking at. I'll put this in really quick. Let's move on to the next drawer, and hopefully we'll have more room. Okay, so I put all my big miscellaneous stress balls in here, and I really like this one. It's pretty nice. So I got all my stress balls, and these are the smaller ones, so I'm gonna put those in one of these drawers. That's gonna have to be for later, because now I'm gonna do my poppets and dimples. So first, I'm gonna have to dump this out. Actually, I'm just kidding. Now let's put these poppets in their drawers. It is currently day 2 of organizing. I spent all day doing this. I couldn't record most of it because we had people over and there was a lot of background noises. But let me show you what I got done. So we have these poppets in one drawer, and I thought all my poppets would fit in one drawer. That didn't work, so I had to have 2 drawers. I started with these small ones. I put my dimples in here. It's really full. I do have some overflow, especially with the Orbeez stress balls. Here are my dimples, my smaller ones. I like that one a lot. These are my poppets, and oh gosh, it's really bad. They're kind of like not staying in. We'll deal with that later. And here I have, oh, I like this one a lot. What the heck did you get here? We have my ASMR stuff, my ASMR bars, pods, cubes, and cassettes. Although my ASMR pens did not fit, mainly because I forgot about them. And in here, and in here I have all my mini miscellaneous stress ball-y stuff. So my monkey noodles, my globbles, my mochis, and these things that will not fit. Still working on this. Now I'm gonna finish this drawer that I started last night with all my pop tubes. I think I'm just gonna put my I keep trusting snakes. Okay, so an update. I got another set of drawers since it was not fitting. So I'm starting to transfer my Orbeez stretch balls, but they're still not fitting in these bigger drawers. So we'll see. But I am going to move my dimples into one of these drawers. I finished this drawer. It looks really nice. It has fidget spinners in the back. And then all this stuff. Oh, and I didn't think I showed you this. I put puzzle balls in here and slugs in here. So that will fit. I think I'm now going to do the snappers and just the rest of this stuff. Next drawer. It is currently day 4, and I'm here to show you the final results. Ready? Bam! I am in love. So, the extra cart came, and I have a few more empty drawers. And to free up some space in the other stress drawers, I took all the jumbo stress balls and I put them in here. And so, since I did that, all the Orbeez stress balls fit in the drawer, finally. Sort of. Let me give you a tour of here. This drawer is now empty. This one has all my tiny dimples. Pop it. This more stuff. Rubbery things. I don't know. Pop tubes, my squirkies, slugs, and puzzle balls. Miscellaneous stuff. More miscellaneous stuff. And overflow. And also random stuff. In here I have the stress ball rejects. And over here. And these are some of my favorites. Over here I have the poppets still. I moved the dimples in here along with the poppet balls since this is the only place it fit. And I kept these two. So yeah. This came out. And then on the top here, I have more room for storage. I have this container that goes all the way around. And I have these ASMR pens in the middle. And I have my slime collection, which is still growing. But yeah, that is me organizing all my fidgets. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and hopefully you guys are too. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep making these long form videos because they are a bit harder than short. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!